This is Schmolitics. I'm Dan Gordon, and I am standing here with Senator Ricardo Lara, running for Insurance Commissioner.
Yes. It's exciting times.
What is Insurance Commissioner?
The Insurance Commissioner is essentially California's largest consumer protection agency in the entire state. The insurance industry in California is the largest in the entire country and sixth in the world. So ensuring that we keep the insurance companies accountable for working folks is primarily the biggest job of the Insurance Commissioner.
How does that happen?
So that happens through regulation, and it happens through allowing that the Insurance Commissioner is the ultimate say when it comes to increases in different types of percentages of insurance products. So it's an important gig. It's also now more than ever important as we look at cannabis regulation, as we look at technology and ensuring that the apps where people put all their personal information, that data is protected. So all those regulations go through the Department of Insurance. Autonomous vehicles that everybody's talking about, well, we need to make sure we create the proper products. It's also now more than ever important as we look at cannabis regulation, as we look at technology and ensuring that the apps where people put all their personal information, that data is protected. So all those regulations go through the Department of Insurance. Autonomous vehicles that everybody's talking about, well, we need to make sure we create the proper products to safeguard the data and safeguard consumers who are going to be using these vehicles.
And my biggest issue is single-payer healthcare. You co-authored SB 562, which is single-payer healthcare for California. How can we get single-payer passed through your office?
It's passed through my office.
I'm sorry, if you were Insurance Commissioner.
So through the Insurance Commissioner, what we do is continue to shed light on the disparities that are happening for working families when it comes to being able to access healthcare and ensuring that we pay the proper rates for pharmaceuticals, that we continue to keep insurance companies accountable. So that's what we do in the office. And then, in the Senate, we're going to continue to push for single payer. It's the only way to not only ensure everybody has access, but that everybody has comprehensive health care, as opposed to what happens now is people end up in our emergency rooms, end up losing their homes, and end up losing their life savings because they can't afford health care in this country.
All right, well, thanks for making time. I know you got a lot of delegates to talk to.
Thank you.